When they've completed an assessed piece of work, on the back of each piece of work there'll be a mark scheme based on GCSE requirements. So you've got level 1, level 2 and level 3 statements. So once they've completed it, they can assess it based on GCSE criteria, and they can take what they've done well and what they need to highlight to do better. But Tia's done a 6 out of 6 answer because she's explained things, she's given examples, and she's used case studies and facts and figures to get those grades. At the bottom there'll be an extension question on the board based on their ability. So that could be Europe, Asia, Africa or Antarctica. So Europe's the top, Antarctica's the bottom, so they go in an order of difficulty. So once they've completed that, the extension task will be on the board and they complete it in that space there. Okay. So when I come to mark the entire book from this stage, I'll whiz through peer and self-assessed piece of work. I'll look at where they've made work better. So this is a self-assessed piece of work. She's not completed the question, so she'll need to complete that at some stage. So then our assessments have also got this criteria on. So she's only got a grade 3 overall on this. So she's only been able to do the basics based on the GCSE criteria, and she needs to be working now towards level 2 answers. Again, she's answered the question, she's just not done it in the right place, she's just done it below. Okay, so for standards, her book is actually pretty good. So all her sheets are labelled, they're all stuck in, dates and titles not really needed in this book. But if somebody has not completed those things, you can put the names onto this crib sheet, and then this then goes onto a PowerPoint and then is put up on the board. So for example, Judd's not stuck his sheets in his book, so this will be put up onto the PowerPoint, and then Judd will then stick his sheets in 10 minutes dirt time. Obviously there's a lot of people not done labelling the sheets, so they'll need to do that. Any missing work has also been highlighted within the book. Okay. Also, during this time, so people who are perfect, so Nay, Macy, Logan, Millie, Katie and Tia, will be able to answer an extension question based on their ability. So if it takes everybody else 10-15 minutes and they complete one of those questions in that time, they will then complete the next question accordingly. So for a teacher assessed piece of work, I've been putting on green sheets so that basically when I go through the book, I can see very easily which pieces of work I need to complete. Again, on the back of these sheets, you've got a crib sheet based on GCSE mark schemes. So we've got level 1, level 2, level 3, so they're going to be completing a 9 mark question. They're going to be trying to aim for these top marks. Crystal is quite a bright student. She's getting level 1s and level 2s quite easily, but she's struggling a bit on the level 3s. So I've highlighted the descriptions on what she needs to complete for accessing that level 3. Again, this book's just been marked today, so she needs to complete the Europe question when we do the dirt time tomorrow. So she'll then answer a question based on what's on the PowerPoint.